Hello wood turners and makers, and a warm welcome back to my channel. Right, this week's project, I've had this bit of green wood. I believe it is plum, I believe, off one of my prescribers, Nick, and he says, yeah, Dave, see what you can do with that. So I thought, oh, that's quite nice. But he has warned me there is a nail in here. I do know where it is, but I've got one of these and it detects metal and voltages, so, and that is where the nail is. So I'll get that dug out now. Like I said, I didn't know where it was. I just wanted to show you the way I do it. And that is the nail that was hidden in this piece. And that's the thing with these. So there you go. There's nothing else in it. You never know what you're going to get. So, caused a bit of damage to my tools, wouldn't it? So right, what I'm going to do is, let's have a look at it. We'll put it on with a screw, wormwood screw. So if I have a look, I'll do it about there. That's it. Right, so let's get this on the lathe then, and let's see what we can do with it. So I'll get this put onto the lathe and I'll see you over there. Okay, and welcome to the lathe. So we've got that on there now, look. So it's like I said, it's going to be a bit of a bumpy and shaky roll. So we'll bring the tailstock up. Bit more support for it. Getting a bit quite awkward. There's going to be a lot of air turning at the minute with this piece before I start knocking it down, which is that bit there. Once I can get that off, then it'll be clear of the protection on. And let's start chipping away and seeing what we can do. Right, this will rock me lathe a bit though. Nearly got it to nearly 600, so let's see what we can do. Right, we're slowly getting there now. Just carry on with that so we can get our tenon sorted out and smoothened up. Just needs a bit more there. Right, so we've got our flat edge there now for our jaws to sit on, so just got to sort that out and then we'll get it onto, flip round and get it onto the chuck, and then we'll have a look what we're going to carry on doing with this one. Speak to you in a minute. Okay, and welcome back. Right, we are now turned round and secured on the chuck better, so we'll just try that again. Make sure that's got it, which it has. 3/8 bowl gauge again, and I'm going to start just holding out a bit and then just go round the shape again after. Taking about 8.5. That one edge is letting me down, so I have to take that off a bit more. See the edges are starting to flex a bit now as I'm getting thinner with that. Oh, wrong one. Still a fair bit to go. Okay then, right, so the best of the hollowing out is now done on that now. So I'm just going to run negative right scrape and just do a bit of cleaning up on it. And that is it. So now we're going to power sand all this down now. And we'll get that out of the way. And I will start at 80. Being careful on that. I'm going to start at 80 and go down to 240. So I've got the 80 on. Turn the speed down. I'm going to need dust extraction on. So it'll get a quick noisy at the minute. About 500. Okay, welcome back. Right, the sanding's all been done now, so I went from 80 down to 240. It's time for the sanding sealer now. So we'll get this on. Okay then, welcome back. Right, so I've put all the obviously the sanding sealer, the Yorkshire grit microphone on, and I'm going to go with, there's my finish, the new Yangles friction polish. I was going to be trying out this. This was the original, what I was going to put on this piece, crystal clear. It is like a varnish. It is a gloss finish, but I have been testing it out, and that is just one coat of that. But I'm not going to put this on this one. I am going to put on, like I says, this friction polish. So basically all you've got to do is put it on like it says on there. Give it a good shake. It is, like it says, a friction polish. So you put it on, and then obviously you turn the alive on, and then build up a bit of heat on your cloth, and then it polishes it up. Now we'll do this now and build up a bit of heat. There you are. So what I've got to do is go over it again, do it again, take it off, turn around, get the foot off. So when I've done that, we'll have a talk about it. So until I've done all that, speak to you again soon. Okay then, another project finished. There you are. It's a bit of a natural edge bowl. I absolutely love the grains and the colours in this. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? It's 3 inches in height, 6 inches across. Thanks Nick for this piece of wood. Managed to get the nail out, and this is what I've made of that piece, mate. So thank you very much for that. And I really enjoyed doing this one. So yes, I know it's another bowl, but I do like doing bowls, to be fair. Next project, I'll think of something else. So, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please like, share it around, press that squidgy button. Till the next time, bye now.